wow, I've actually thought that walking around and looking at the people, watching them interact with each other, I'm amazed at the civility of Copenhagen.
Some cities may be really fast and other cities may be a little bit too slow and quiet, and this just seems to have a nice mixture and balance between the two where you can kind of find it's just a nice rhythm, it's a rhythm of living.
You can tell that they're a happy people that experience their everyday life in Copenhagen, and they want to share that with us. I almost feel like we kind of fit in an easy way because no one's been judging us, no one's been everyone's just been friendly, and so I think that makes a huge difference in the enjoyment of being here in Copenhagen.